IKEA LIVBOJ. LIVBOJ. LIVBOJ.
So, the IKEA LIVBOJ is highly recommended with the IKEA LIVHund, but if you cannot buy the LIVHund with the LIVBOJ, it's just fine because you can use the LIVBOJ with a LIVHund like cable. Okay, so let's just stop for a second. No, I'm not an idiot and I'm still Daniel, and today I'm here to present you the IKEA LIVBOJ. No, okay, I stop. Actually, I'm talking about a wireless charger pad. This little pretty good looking charger costs only 30 lays or around 6 euros. It comes with a little white box and includes the following things. So it comes in a little white box and it includes the charging pad and some paperwork. It is not coming with a cable, so if you remember at the beginning of the video I was talking about the LIVHund. Actually the LIVHund is the cable from IKEA which they recommend to buy with this charging pad. If you need it for an additional 20 lays or around 4 euros, you can buy it. However, nowadays we have lots of unused cables at home, so this may not be an issue. The charging pad has a USB Type-C port and a LED indicator to show you the status of the charging device. The maximum input is 10 watts, however the maximum charging speed is only 5 watts. To be honest, kind of what we would expect for its price. This little pad is really small and looks really modern and nice. For comparison, here is my Galaxy S8 Plus, which is an 8.1mm device. I will put the exact dimensions of this charging pad in the description. Let's plug it in and see how it works. As you can see, as far as I put the device on the pad, the LED indicator lights up, indicating that the phone is charging. So nothing too much to say about this little charging pad, but in conclusion I would say that it's worth the 6 euros. I mean, if you need something functional, pretty, small and modern, you have it here. It will not charge your phone with insanely fast speed, so please keep that in mind, but it will charge it with a decent speed. Okay, in a slow, but for sure. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think that it was useful, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget the subscribe button is just one click away from you. Yes, just one. Just go down and subscribe. By the way, if you'd like to see my latest videos about the iPads, redesigns and some foldables, well, you just need to click right here. Okay, let's talk soon. Bye.